We're sharing with you three key roles for success in CCI apprenticeships: the teacher, the trainer, and the advocate, and how each of those three roles work together to help make sure that the trainee develops the needed skills. The teacher and the trainer work together in order for the trainer to learn how to transfer their skills better. Teachers are good at that. Trainers aren't necessarily taught that from their experience. They don't necessarily learn how to do that. Some figure it out, but most do not. The advocate and the trainer work together to help make sure that that relationship with the trainee is strong and working well for both the trainer and the trainee together. The teacher and the advocate work together in order to moderate the pace of delivery of the content, or to modify instruction to help it become more effective for the trainee. In detail, let's go ahead and look at each of these roles with the type of person that you're looking for each of these roles and what their time commitment might be. So for the teacher, you're looking at about 70 hours per year. That's not per month, that's per year. So this is easily something that could be a part-time position for somebody that's already on staff, or it could be shared with other organizations. And in the other event, we'll give some options for that. What you're looking for is somebody that's knowledgeable in the subject matter. If they're teaching a class on collision repair, they need to be familiar with and knowledgeable about that content about collision repair for technicians. If it's painting, likewise for painter. If it's estimator or insurance appraisal, they need to be knowledgeable in that subject matter as well. They should be competent in online teaching or online coaching. So this is something that is more prevalent in the last couple of years, but not so much before that. They should have keen knowledge about how skills are being transferred to trainees. This is not an easy thing to do, but if they have skills in this area, this is one of the characteristics you're looking for. They also need to be able to adapt their delivery for different learning styles of those that are in their course. And they promote on-the-job training. So they cannot be of the opinion that, gee, that you should know this by me showing you on this computer screen how to do something. They need to know and understand and be supportive of the idea that really the key learning of the skill and the transfer takes place in a stall, side by side with a trainer that's working with them to show them and develop their skills. They can teach the knowledge and the theory behind stuff, but there are limitations to how much skill that will actually transfer. So ideal personalities or job descriptions for this might be from, say, Verifax, a Verifax coach, or a Vico expert coach, somebody that has been in the role of coaching somebody to learn skills and to refine what they do. So that's the kind of person you're looking for as a teacher. The trainer is the second one. This is a mentor, somebody that will be working day to day with the trainee. They'll be spending probably about 75 hours a year beyond their normal workload, handling the role as a teacher, as a trainer rather, of their apprentice. And they should be somebody that fosters this learning culture idea and theme throughout whatever they've done in their careers. They love learning new things themselves. They're constantly looking for a better way of doing things. And they always are finding the best certified method or accepted method by the manufacturer of how to do something. They're also patient with others in their learning process. They understand that failure actually leads to discovery. That's not a negative thing, that's a positive thing. And if they are already thinking in that mode, this is the kind of a trainer you're looking for. They're really good at the technical skills of repairing cars. They may not be the fastest person or the hottest tech you have in the shop. It doesn't matter. If they've got the skills down and they know how to do the task correctly, they could actually be a better trainer than one that is one of your fire-breathing technicians out there. If they have a growth mindset versus a fixed mindset, if they don't think that they already know everything in the world, that they continue to have more things they need to learn, they're in a growth mindset. And if that's the person you're looking at to be a trainer, you've chosen well. The third role that we're looking at is that of an advocate. And it's estimated that they'll spend about 15 hours a year for about 2 or 3 apprentices, depending on the workload and their interactivity with them. The type person you're looking for is somebody that's empathetic to learners and the needs of learners. They also are very firm on setting and helping others set boundaries for what's going on, for what learning looks like, holding them accountable to their own decisions, things of that nature. That's the kind of person you're looking for here. They also have a good understanding of differences in personality style and learning style differences. And if they have that, these are key skills that will help them become a great advocate for your apprentices. They actually are great communicators, both written and verbal communication. They can interpret and pay good attention to people and recite back to them what they're saying and summarize it in their own words. They also have the respective managers and the trainers and the apprentices themselves. These are key elements and characteristics for success in an apprenticeship program.